Hello, I'm Lee from Yaoan. Manufacturing never stands still. Technology keeps changing. And at Yaoan, we're on a mission to redefining what a ventilation system can do. Yaoan aims to make traditional products smarter, safer, faster, and more connected. Automatic air volume adjustment, personalized environmental control, AI-based fire early warning, and automatic extinguishing system. Our research and development is dedicated to create safer and more reliable ventilation systems. Today, Yaoan's products are exported to more than 30 countries, including Europe, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, and India. We've participated in landmark buildings, metro systems, and airports, bringing the reliability and standards of Chinese manufacturing to the world. From ventilation to fire protection, from China to the world, we let reliable ventilation systems travel further.